guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. So today I'm bringing to you the banana and yogurt hair mask. This hair mask is very natural and very nutritious for the hair. It adds volume and strength to the hair. When used often, it's gonna prevent hair fall. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna need some very ripe banana. And I have here 2 medium-sized overripe bananas. Depending on how long your hair is, you're gonna need some more. You're also gonna need some full cream yogurt. And you're gonna need some olive oil. First of all, peel your banana and put them in a bowl. Then, blend it up to achieve a very smooth mixture. Now, using a cloth or a strainer, strain the banana into another bowl. This is going to help prevent any residue in your hair after you use it. So this is how it looks like after I strained it. It's very smooth and looks like baby food. Now, come in with about 3 tablespoonfuls of white yogurt. Then, put in 1 tablespoonful olive oil. Mix everything up. Now, starting from clean hair, just put your fingers in the mixture and apply it to your hair. Make sure you get every part. Afterwards, cover it up with a plastic bag or even 2 if you want to. Now leave it in your hair for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, take off your plastic bag and wash your hair with lukewarm water and a conditioner or a mild shampoo. So this is really good for people with thin hair because it really adds volume to your hair. And as you can see, it didn't leave any residue in my hair. Okay guys, so this is it. I hope you like this video. If you've not subscribed to this channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Leave me a thumbs up, share this video, and until next time, I'm gonna see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.